Hi there, Carol.
Hi, Carly.
What kind of rig do you have?
I have a 2006 Sportsmobile conversion.
Nice.
Her name is Wanda. And
Wanda?
She has a pop top.
Nice. Yes, I love the canvas pop top.
Me too.
Can we look inside?
Sure.
All right. So I see right off the bat you've got the turnaround chair.
Yes, and that really comes in handy. And this summer I had a cutting board, and I bought these brackets on Amazon and added that. So when I'm sitting there, that's where I can have breakfast.
Nice.
Or do my dishes. It's really come in handy.
Nice.
Yeah.
And so tell me about how this, because you didn't make the inside. It came this way because you can order it from Sportsmobile?
That's correct. Sportsmobile builds, they do different body styles. This is a Ford E150. They also do them on Sprinter. They do, they used to do Toyotas, Nissans. So you can order whatever you want. Now they're doing ProMasters also.
Okay.
So people can either pick one of their standard floor plans, or you can actually design it from scratch.
Okay.
So this one did not come with a furnace or a hot water heater or a bathroom.
Okay.
That's what the original owner ordered. So I'm the third owner, but I find that I don't miss those things. So it's working really well for me.
That's great.
Yeah.
So this is just storage in this area here?
Yep. This is, well, underwear.
Clothing.
Also on this side, it's actually a cabinet for food.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's
that
neat.
Slides in and out, so that's handy. And then 2 drawers. This is where the potty lives.
Okay.
I have a bucket system in there.
And you do 1 bucket for 1 and 1 bucket for 2.
Yes, they're 2 separate buckets and they stack on top of each other. So I can switch them as needed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cool.
And it seems to be working out. It actually came with a regular porta potty, and I found that using the water, for one thing, I didn't want to carry extra water just for the potty. And just the process of having to take it and empty it, I thought the bucket was easier, and I like it much better.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good. Good.
And then this is a little closet, so I can hang some of my clothes.
And you've got a mirror. That's nice.
Yeah, full length.
Yeah.
At least for short people.
Yeah.
And then I added these just for my makeup and a little bit extra storage because I felt that was kind of wasted space.
Good.
It has a microwave and a small DC fridge.
Okay.
I could probably live without the microwave. If I could find a little bit bigger fridge, I might do that. But right now...
Do you use the microwave?
Once in a while I do plug in.
Okay.
And then I use it. But otherwise it's just good storage for bread and tomatoes, things that would get bumped around, fruit.
Oh, okay. Yeah. You use it as storage. What a
Yes,
good
I do.
idea.
Yes, I do.
Cool. And then you have 2 choices for beds. Yeah.
Yes, I do. I can make the dinette into a bed, and when I'm traveling and want to get somewhere quickly, I just sleep here.
Okay.
There's also a table that can go in here. It's stowed behind, like that's the base of the table, and then the top is here.
Okay.
So if I want to, we've even had 4 people in here to play cards, which was fun.
Nice.
But when I'm not sleeping there and I'm set up for a while like I am here, this is my bed. Right now it's lifted in the top. I could actually lift the back too if I wanted to, but I'm so short I never really need to.
Oh, okay.
And that gets it up out of the way. And then at night I just unhook it from these loops and bring it down, and then use my step stool to get in, and this is where I sleep.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's very comfortable.
It is very comfortable. I have an extra mattress pad and an inflatable mattress that blows up really easily, and it's small, twin size, and I just pup that up every night and I'm good to go.
Good.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
And your sink and kitchen?
I do have a freshwater tank. It's about, I think about 7 gallons. I usually never carry more than 5 if I'm going to go boondocking. As I said, no hot water, but I just boil it on the stove, and I have a little 2-burner.
Oh, that's your stove.
Little 2-burner stove here.
Nice.
That wasn't cleaned this morning.
Oh, that's fine.
And then another little cubby here where I keep glasses and cups.
Interesting.
So they've made really good use of storage. Sportsmobile did a good job with that.
Yes.
And then this is my extra food and my wine cellar.
Your wine cellar. You've got to have that.
Yeah. And then pots and pans and extra food here. I think I carry too much food, but that's another story.
That's okay.
Silverware in here.
Nice.
And one thing that's missing with a pop top is because it's not a high top, you don't have any storage space up here.
Yes, that is true.
Yeah.
And you are actually going to upgrade your pop top canvas.
That's correct. And I'm doing that for two reasons. This one is a manual top, so I use a ratcheting bar to lift it, which works really well, but I've never been able to figure out a good way to pull it down. And it's heavy. It's heavy. So I've decided to convert to a power top. I'll just have to push a button. And it's designed so that I'll be able to stand up in the van even when the pop top is down, which I can't do in this van. When this top is down, it's down here.
Yes.
So I'm really looking forward to that. And it'll give me a little more storage space too.
Good.
Yeah.
That'll be a good upgrade.
Yeah. Yep.
And is there anything else in here that, before we go check out your shower system?
Well, the shower system, actually, it really does take place in here.
Okay.
And what I do, oh, I know what you wanted to check out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, let's do that. Okay, so my friend Deb helped me make this last summer, and it's nothing more than a weed sprayer that you cut off part of the, you cut off the existing nozzle that you would normally spray weeds or pesticides, and you replace it with a kitchen sink sprayer. So I put a black electrician's tape, or a lot of people just paint them black, and it will heat up from the sun. You'd be surprised how warm it gets.
So that's how it gets warm.
And then you just, pump it up. And what I do, I take it in, I put it in my sink, and I have a foldable dog bathtub, and it fits right in my little wide foyer.
Yeah.
And I string a couple of shower curtains to protect my cabinets, and I just shower in there.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's a really good situation. Yeah. So
it works well.
A pop-up shower is what you have.
That's
kind of.
Right. Exactly.
Nice.
Exactly.
And your solar system.
Yes. This Sportsmobile came pre-wired for portable solar, so it already had a plug there, which I actually had to upgrade because I guess in 2006 the plugs have changed.
Yeah.
So this was a ZAMP plug, and then it came with a solar controller already built in, which was great. I bought, this is a Renogy, like a slim design, 100 watt solar panel. I do need more than that. It's keeping up, but I have to be really, really careful. But what I like about this panel is it fits in my stowaway.
Oh.
And it's the only one that I could find that would fit, so that I didn't have to carry it inside the rig. So I'm going to get a second one of those and see what happens, and maybe when I get the top upgraded,
yes,
I might put some solar on the top also.
Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for showing me your rig.
Thank you, Carly.
And I'll see you around.
All right. Take
Bye.
care.